Hi children, we have finished doing constructions and we have to go on to another section which is a little close to constructions called locus. What is locus? Okay, what is the locus? Locus means the locus of a point is the path which it makes when it moves. Now a point is moving, it's a moving point. We have to know what the path is. That path is called the locus. We'll take a few examples. Look at this question. Draw a line. Construct the locus of a point which moves. Draw a line AB. Construct the locus of a point which moves so that it is equidistant from A and B. So we draw a line. This is A and this is A, this is B. Now we have to construct the locus of a point which is equal distant from A and B. So if you just by observation, if you look at it, now this can be one of the points. Then this can be another point. That is, this point is equal distant from this, and it can be another point. This can be another point. Like that, all these points are coming in the middle like this. So what is this line? Draw a line. Draw a line. If you consider the locus of a point which moves so that it is equidistant from. So when you observe these points, you will notice that it is the perpendicular bisector of A and B, of the line AB. The perpendicular bisector of the line, if we studied how to draw a perpendicular bisector, what we do is from here we draw an arc, here, arc like that, and join the two lines, that will be the perpendicular bisector. So the locus of the point, try to understand the English carefully. The locus of the point which moves so that it is equal distant from A and B. Everywhere it is equal distant. If you measure, you can see that equal. So this is the locus of the point which is equidistant from A and B. The locus is the perpendicular bisector. We'll take another example. Okay, second locus that we are taking, children, is what is the locus of the tip of the minute hand of the clock when it moves. Now this clock is moving, and we know the hour hand and the minute hand. The long hand is the minute hand. Now we have to find the locus, the path of the minute hand when it moves. Now when you observe it carefully, you will notice this is how it's moving. The path is how it's moving. So when it comes like that, can you see the tip is moving? What is the locus? What is the path that the tip of the hand is making? When you observe carefully, you will notice that it is making a complete circle. So the locus of the tip of the minute hand of the clock is making a complete circle. So the locus is a complete circle. The locus is a circle with the center of the clock, and the radius, the minute hand. So locus of the circle, locus is a circle. Locus is a circle with the center of the clock and the radius of the minute hand. So this is how. So you will notice the earlier one we got the locus as a straight line. Now in this one you are getting a locus as a circle. So for the OLevel examination, children, the locus will be either a circle or a straight line. You will not get any other type of figures, waves or anything like that. You can be rest assured. So you can guess the answer. Whatever way you say, you will know the answer, that it should be a circle or a straight line. Now we'll take another example, children. We'll find the locus of the tip of the pendulum. You know what a pendulum is. Now we'll say a big clock, in a grandfather clock, what you say. There's a long gadget which is called the pendulum. This only moves up and down when it is working. So what is the locus of the tip of the pendulum when the clock is working? So we can say the pendulum will be here, and when the pendulum will be on this place also. Then when here, another place will be here, another place will be here. So here, all these points. So what is the path that the tip of the pendulum is making? It is making an arc of a circle. So in this particular case, the locus of the tip of the pendulum is an arc, of a circle, is an arc of a circle. Look, children, we have taken another example, example number 4. What is the locus of a point which moves on an equal distance from a fixed straight line? Now we have a fixed straight line here. These are, we call it as PQ. These are fixed straight line. Now there is a point which moves in such a way that it is equal distance from the fixed straight line. So how will it go? How do you think the path will be? So we can take one point here, fixed distance. So we can take another, it must be equal distance everywhere. Another point here, another point here, another point here, another point here, like that. So it will be a line parallel to the fixed line. So the locus of the point which is equal distance from a fixed straight line is a line parallel to that. You can also have a line from this side. Now here, that is the same path, same distance from here. So you can draw two lines. This line, both lines should be parallel to the fixed line. Now these two lines are everywhere it is equal distance from the fixed line. So these are line parallel to the fixed line. So the locus of the point is a line parallel to the fixed line. Look at this, children. Question number 5. What is the locus of a point that moves on an equal distance from two intersecting straight lines? We have two straight lines that are intersecting. Now there is a point which moves so that it is equal distance from these two lines. Everywhere the line is equal distance from these intersecting lines. So what is the locus? What is the locus of that point which moves so that it is equal distance from these two intersecting points? So we can guess the points like this. Now here, if you distance from two lines means it should be the perpendicular distance. Everywhere the perpendicular distance should be same. If you take another point here, the perpendicular distance should be same. Another point here, perpendicular distance. So when you observe this line, you will notice that it is the angle bisector of this angle. That is the locus of the point which is equidistant from two intersecting straight lines is the angle bisector of the two straight lines. So locus equals is angle bisector of the two lines. So these are for children today on locus. I hope you will do a lot of exercises and I hope you are able to thorough with it. I hope you liked it, and if you have liked, please subscribe.